students.
How are you? I miss you a lot. Last 2 years, you are all Tare Zameen Par. You are the stars. All the stars have come down. Your smile, your happiness give me lot of positive energy to me, not to me, all the entire principals, teachers. Today I am here because of all of your prayers and wishes. This is like a second coming into the Tamris. I came only because of you. For you only I have come. I don't have any other plans or any other desire or any other post. I came only for you one. So today I am here. I am very happy to interact with you. Today I had a review meeting with all your principals and teachers, and the condition of the running administration is very good here in Nizamabad. So many buildings, so many infrastructure has been created in Nizamabad. In future, Nizamabad is going to be a role model for the entire Telangana state. This educational institution, this is going to be an educational hub. We are going to start Center of Excellence. 2 Center of Excellence we are going to start this year, one for boys, one for girls. So all the coaching for the NEET, IIT, LAWCET, MCET, CLAT, all kind of entrance exam coaching will be there. From this educational institution, every year we are going to produce doctors, engineers, lawyers, agriculture scientists. So that is a vision behind this educational hub. 2 centers of excellence are going to come. Today, when I will come back again, because 205 schools I have to see. Last time when I have visited, intermediate students, you have not seen me at all.
You have seen in the photos and in the video, isn't it or not?
So not me. Okay. My advice to all of my students is, first of all, each and every one should remember chartered minority residences school in the Telangana state. Each and every one must know the purpose for which these educational institutions have been started. You have to remind yourself why, for what purpose you have come to this school. Not only students, even teachers and principals also always remind yourself the purpose for which we have started these schools. If purpose is lost, everything is lost. We will be like a directionless. We don't know which direction we should move. So always you should have a goal and the purpose. It will lead you to the righteous path. It will lead you to the excellence. Otherwise, you will be a directionless. Similarly, each and every primary students, you must have a goal in your life. Like institution has a vision, as a student also you should have a vision in your life. What do you want to become? You want to become doctor? You have to take a oath today. If you want to become IPS officer, it's possible. You take a oath today. If you want to become an IAS officer, you take a oath today. Without dream, nothing can be achieved. I have read the many books of successful people, whether it's a Thomas Alva Edison, whether it is a Abraham Lincoln, whether it is a Mahatma Gandhi. Everybody had a dream for the personal life as well as for the professional life. Do you have the dream? Do you have the goal? How many of you are having goal? Raise your hands. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. Then you have a dream. What is next? What will you do with your dream?
We need to work hard. We need
You have to chase your dream. Every day you have to chase your dream. You have to tell yourself, yes, one day I will become IAS officer. One day I will become Secretary of Tamris.
Yeah.
I wish that one of you should become a Secretary of Tamris. Okay? So you have to get into civil service. So chase your dream. Next step is chase your dream. Remind yourself. Automatically one day you will become a doctor, engineer, lawyer, scientist. But if you don't work hard, then the dream will be a dream only. We have to make this dream into reality. We have to convert